Today we're going to learn how to make a super simple window using Pygame. First you have to import Pygame. If you haven't installed this module, go in the command line and install it with pip install Pygame. Then initialize Pygame with Pygame init and create the window with width and height and title. The while loop is the heart of the app. It sets everything in motion. Pygame.event.get is a list of the user actions on the mouse or the keyboard. If the event type is Pygame.quit, it means that the user pressed the X button to close the window. These lines of code allow to close the window correctly. Finally, run the script and you will see the window that you can close with the X button. To run the file, save it as main.py, for example. Go in the command line from the folder where the file is and type python space main.py. A blank window should appear. See ya in the second episode to see how to show an image on the screen.